Hi, thanks for joining me. My name is Vishal. I'm one of the founder of Staffoid. Staffoid is the first B2B business to business staff augmentation platform. Platform is built with the need and the gap available between the various companies which have the requirement of the staff and the companies those who have available staff on the bench as well. So that's how this platform is to bridge the gap. I'm going to run this demo to show how Staffoid works. This is the first landing page. You need to type a URL www.staffoid.com. It brings you to the landing page. First section talks about the quick search of the bench. You type a job title or keyword or state or city. It gives you the quick search on the relevant post of the bench. If you scroll down, it shows a featured bench posted by various companies. The top 5 postings, it shows off that. Further, if you go scroll down, it shows the various categories or the industries where Staffoid is focusing on. Technology is the first industry which we are pitching it further to take it further as a big way. Scroll down further, you see the latest requirements posted by the various companies, and they are the latest ones around there. So in any which ways, if you want to browse all the bench or the requirement, you need to click on browse bench or the requirement. It shows you all the bench, all the requirements posted by the various companies. The next step is that you need to sign up. Simple form here. When you sign up, we encourage and request, and we anticipate that you will sign up with your work or official email ID, like the way I have mentioned vishal@staffoid.com. Please fill the details, check the term of use, and click sign up. When you click sign up, it sends an email for confirming your email on your email ID. When you click on the URL, the link which is there on the email, it activates your account for further activities. So my account is already activated. I'm going to quickly sign up to take it up further. So I'm in my login in my account. You see that this is the dashboard. You go on the default when you sign up, dashboard. So that dashboard gives you the postings which you have done. So the bench posting I've done so far, it shows me here. The requirement posting, if I click, it shows me there. It also shows me that the inquiries I have sent any or received against the bench, and it also shows the inquiry against the requirements I have sent. So for example, if I have a Salesforce bench available and I have option to send the inquiries against requirements. So let me quickly run through that. So post is the first open action item for you to start posting all your bench, the resources available, and the requirements which you have for. So let's say that, what does that bench form looks like? So when you click on that, it's a very simple form. It asks you the very specific information, and we request you to please fill in very specific information which will be useful for you to quickly get into the available requirements are easy to be matched for you. So you can enter the title, categories, default, technologies. You can click to see if something else is there. Full-time, part-time, remote, role, experience, and number of staff. So number of staff is that you are filling it not for one staff, probably for a bunch of people of a similar skill you're filling it together. All these information you fill in there, please be very specific. I'm again repeating here. This is very important. So when you fill all this information, you post the bench, your posting is posted. So this is how it looks like. If I click on dashboard, it shows me my listing. So I have listed earlier, so I'm using it for a demo point of view. So I have a bench of Salesforce developer, 2 to 5 years experience. And these are the keywords and skills, type, location, and how many such staffs available. So when I enter that, it quickly match the requirements as well. So when I browse that, click on browse, it shows me the requirement match to that. So there's a magic matching, which shows you that what are the requirements available. I have an option to connect with this requirement. When I click on connect, it actually sends an inquiry to the other company. And I go back on dashboard. Again, I have a placeholder where I can see that where I have sent across such inquiries. So such inquiries being sent against a requirement. So I say send. Excuse me. And it shows me all the inquiries I have sent against my bench to the respective requirements. Similar way, if you go back, post, requirement, it shows a similar kind of a form, very simple form, similar way. Please be very specific while entering the details here. These details are very important to do a magic match and the algorithm running behind the platform. So when you post a requirement, again, you go back on dashboard. And you click on requirements, your requirement is here. And it also shows the same, what are the match bench available as well. Same process, you click on browse, and then you have a list of all those requirements. Then you click on contact, it goes and create inquiry against that contact. I can see back on dashboard. Now I have sent an inquiry against a bench. So this is what I have sent and is available now. So I hope that this demo is useful to you. If you have any queries, you can write down to me at vishal@staffoid.com. I'll be happy to answer all your queries, your feedback, and enhancements as you propose to take it further. Thank you so much for joining me up. Thank you.